Hey, what's up, everybody? Danny here, and I am recording this video because I wanted to share with you something I've been working on. It's a project I've been working on to get my course materials out to a larger audience. And so I recorded a video yesterday on how to set up a Udemy course fast, and I'll put a link to that. That's part one of how to do that, and it's on my Facebook page. But in today's video, I want to share with you kind of a behind the scenes look at my course that I actually just put into the review process on Udemy. And yeah, it literally took me, granted I had some course materials already created, but it only took me just a matter of like an hour to get all of the 3.5 hours worth of content uploaded, and then basically course submitted for review. So anyway, we're going to dive in. I'm going to share with you my backend Udemy account. So let's go ahead and switch over to that. I'm using Ecamm Live. It's a new live streaming app, and it looks pretty cool. But so you'll probably see a little watermark if you're watching the replay. I'll probably get it because it's like $30, and it's pretty cheap considering all the software that is out there that's pretty expensive. So anyway, I'm going to try to flip over here to my screen. Okay. There we go. All right. So, yeah, that's not showing anything. There we go. Now it's showing something. All right. So I'm going to click out of that. And there we go. Gotta love these unpolished live videos. But hey, I want to share this with you as fast as I can because sometimes editing takes a while to get live. So anyway, you go to Udemy. You can search all different types of potential courses that you want to make. I have one on project management using Agile best practices. And so what I've done is, that's not me. What I've done is uploaded. Here we go. There it is. All right. So in my account, I have uploaded all of the course videos as per part one of the video. And here we're just going to go and touch on the different areas that you need to fill out in order to make sure that your course is fully ready to go and you can submit it for review. Okay, so I'm going to show you here. All right, that does not look good. Okay, yeah, full screen here. Okay, so what we're going to do is click on course goals. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to have your course goals set up. What does that mean? Well, it helps you, and this is really kind of, I think, one of the really strong areas of Udemy is that they really do walk you through, beginning to end, how to set up a course the right way. Now, there's a lot of arguments that Udemy is, not the it's not the best recommended approach to selling your course because you can't charge as much as you could if you did it on your own site. Well, the truth is that most of us out there, we're not strong marketers. We weren't in a marketing culture or a marketing profession, and so a lot of this stuff is these things people are learning, which is totally cool. But when you're just starting out, and you think about Kindle publishing, because I did Kindle publishing a lot before, even though I'm not really doing it that much now. I will be publishing books on more of my personal branded stuff rather than niche stuff. But with courses, you really have to have that personal brand. You have to, put yourself out there. And so it's kind of like Kindle, meaning that it's a marketplace. And people are searching for different courses, just like they're searching on Kindle for different books. They're searching the same way using the Udemy search engine. So you want, when they find your course, you want to be very specific on what value you're going to give to them. And how do you do that is with the course goals. So, does your course have any prerequisites? The default stuff here is like, you should be able to use a PC at beginner level. And the truth is, yeah, I mean, that's kind of, so I just kept that. I just threw in Mac there because I'm a Mac user. But, PC or Mac, if you're a designer, maybe, they need to know basic design theory, and then you can maybe, send them a link to, a reference point to maybe another course that you have that's on that. But the point is, does your course have any prerequisites? Who is your target student? My target student is online entrepreneurs and project managers looking for a simple, effective way to manage projects, right? And then the next one here is, what will they learn? At the end of your course, students will be able to plan, organize, and finish projects efficiently and effectively. And so those are my course goals, okay? Which really kind of goes with the title, because the title is Project Management for Entrepreneurs, the Agile Method. Okay, so after your course goals, you have your curriculum. And I touched on this yesterday with doing the bulk upload. So if you want to see how I leverage that feature, it's really cool. Go ahead and check out the link to the video on my page. And you can see here that so each section has separate lectures that I have here, and then we go to price and coupons. You can set the different prices for that. You can set different tiers. There's like free all the way up to there's just a lot of tiers, like tier 37, $200. And then you go ahead and select the currency. You create coupons here. Captions. Captions is a feature that you can leverage to go ahead and create those captions for those who are hearing impaired. I still haven't quite figured that out yet, so I haven't really enabled that. I don't know if it processes it, if Udemy processes those automatically or not. But anyway, I'm doing this and trying to get it out there as fast as possible to start getting feedback, which is what I recommend anyone doing if you're trying to use a new platform or new software. Is just try to get to the end result fast so that you can learn and improve. Right. So this is my first Udemy course actually that I'm publishing. So this is hopefully that helps. That helps you if you're trying to create a course on Udemy. The next thing is automatic messages. So you can set what kind of message do you want to send to your potential students when they join. Welcome, and when they finish, what kind of message you want to send them, right? Okay, and course feedback. Course feedback this is kind of a canned sort of thing. So it's congratulations on finishing your course. You're just one step away of having your course. Oh, okay. No, that's for me. You have successfully submitted your course for review. So this is not for your student to leave you feedback, but this is for me. I've submitted it last night, and I'm waiting to get a response back, and within 2 business days. So hopefully it comes back and they approve it. There's a checklist actually as well when you go to the review process to submit it. There's a checklist that they'll actually give you. You can download and click on that to see, what are the requirements around publishing your first course and how to get approved. If you don't get approved, it's not the end of the world. You just go ahead and just like if you're using like Kindle or something like that, where they give you kind of pointers on how to get past that. I imagine you can do the same. But I will be sharing that with you when I get a response from Udemy on the course and and all that information. So. Anyway, I hope this video helps you, and if you have any questions about it, go ahead and leave a comment below. And I'll leave a link as well to video 1 where I show you how to leverage the bulk uploader to build your course fast. So anyway, take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you in the next video.